Hello, dear children, good morning. Today we are going to do the reading part of the chapter 5 Continents and Oceans. Continents, continents, and oceans, oceans. Okay? Land and water cover the surface of the earth. SURFACE, surface of the earth. Land covers approximately APPROXIMATELY, approximately 29%, and water covers approximately 71% of the surface of the earth. Continents and oceans are the big land masses and large expanse of water respectively. Continents, 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 and oceans are the big land masses, LANDMASSES, land masses, and large expanse, EXPANSE, expanse of water respectively. RESPECTIVELY respectively. Okay, now see continents. CONTINENTS, continents. Continents are huge, huge land masses. There are 7 continents on earth. In the order of largest, 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 to smallest, SMALLEST, smallest. These are Asia, 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 AFRICA, Africa, NORTHAMERICA, North America, SOUTHAMERICA, South America, ANTARCTICA, Antarctica, EUROPE, Europe, and Australia, AUSTRALIA, Australia. Each continent is surrounded, SURROUNDED, surrounded by oceans and has a variety of landforms. Asia. Asia is the largest continent and covers nearly 1/3 of the land area of earth. It is surrounded by oceans on 3 sides: Arctic Ocean, ARCTIC, Arctic Ocean to the north, Pacific, PACIFIC, Pacific Ocean to the east, and Indian Ocean to the south. It has a variety of landforms. It has Mount Everest, which is the world's highest, HIGHEST, highest peak, and the Dead Sea, DEAD, Dead Sea, which is world's lowest point on land. It also has the Gobi Desert, which is a cold desert, and the Arabian Desert, ARABIAN, Arabian Desert, which is a hot desert. The Himalayas, HIMALAYAS. The Himalayas are the world's largest and highest mountain range. Japan, JAPAN, Japan. China, 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 and India are some prominent, PROMINENT, prominent countries in this continent. Africa, AFRICA, Africa. Africa is the world's second largest continent, surrounded by water bodies, WATER, water, BODIES, water bodies on all sides. The Mediterranean, MEDITERRANEAN, the Mediterranean Sea, lies to its north, the Indian Ocean to its east, and the Atlantic Ocean, Atlantic, Atlantic Ocean to the west. Some of its prominent features, FEATURES features, are the Sahara Desert, SAHARA Sahara Desert, the Nile River, NILE Nile River, and the Victoria Falls, VICTORIA Victoria Falls. The Sahara is the world's largest desert. The Nile is the world's longest river, and the Victoria Falls is one of the world's largest waterfalls. Mount Kilimanjaro, KILIMANJARO, is the Mount Kilimanjaro is the continent's highest peak. Earlier, Africa was labeled labeled as the dark continent, DARK, dark, continent, continent, because very little was known about it. However, this title, title is no longer valid now. Today, it is a flourishing continent, FLOURISHING, flourishing continent. South Africa, SOUTHAFRICA, South Africa, and Egypt, 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 are some prominent countries of this continent. Okay children, we will continue from North America in our next class. Okay, once go through the today's class. Bye children, thank you.